Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. We are from the Masjid Tour Guide Program, MTG, from Islamic Outreach Abim Center in Masjid Negara. So today we have a VR tour login video guide, which this will be the step-by-step for you to log into our VR tour. So first of all, once you receive the login as shown here, the login link, you can click on this login link either from WhatsApp if you receive this link from WhatsApp, or you can type this link directly to your browser, any of the browser, and you will come to the next page. Okay, this is the login page after you click on the link just now. And at this first page, you can choose either you want to straight away log in or register. If you have registered before, you can straight away log in here, put in your email and password. If not, then you have to register here. Click on the register button and you will come to this second page, and you have to fill in your name, your last name. You can put in your email and you have to put in your password. And your organization is a sample here, and your nationality you can choose, and the purpose of your visit you can choose from here, or you can insert if you have any other purpose. And your spiritual belief you can choose from the list here, or you can choose other, and then you submit. Once you have submit, you will have to key in your password here and you log in, and you come to this is the second page. This is the welcome page for the VR tour. Here you will see an information about the visiting hours previously when the mosque was open to public, and you go down and click on continue here, and then this is the entrance page for the VR tour. From here, if there is an available mosque tour guide around and the MTG is online, you can see that there's an indication on top here that there is a guided tour available. So straight away, you don't have to worry anymore about any of the other button here, how you want to navigate through this VR tour, because the available guided tour will straight away take you to the tour and just follow his guide. Okay, so from here you can straight away press this join session button and you enter your name, sample, and you make sure that this camera button is turned on and your microphone button is turned on, and just press connect. You will be calling the MTG, the most tour guide available, to answer to your call. And this is a sample, the view of the most tour guide, where he will click on this video call button so that you will have a conversation with him via video. Okay, so that's all. I hope this is useful information for you to log in and join the online virtual tour to Masjid Negara. Thank you.